Fixing stuffing that is too moist is a common kitchen problem, especially during the holidays. Don't panic if your dressing looks more like a thick soup. There are several easy ways to rescue it. The main cause is usually too much liquid, like broth or stock. Sometimes, using very fresh bread can also lead to a mushy texture. The goal is to remove that excess moisture without turning your stuffing into a dry brick. The most reliable method involves your oven. First, preheat your oven to around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your soggy stuffing and spread it out in a thin, even layer on a large baking sheet. A wider surface area is key here. It allows more moisture to evaporate quickly. Place the baking sheet in the hot oven. Let it bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. It is crucial to check on it every 5 minutes. You should also stir it around to expose different parts to the heat. This process not only dries out the stuffing but can also create delicious, crispy brown edges. For a quicker fix, especially with a smaller amount, you can use the stovetop. Grab a wide, dry skillet or a large pan. Place the wet stuffing inside. Turn the heat to medium. Do not use high heat, as this will burn the bottom before the middle dries out. Stir the stuffing constantly with a spatula or wooden spoon. You will see steam rising from the pan. This is the excess water evaporating. Continue this process for 5 to 10 minutes until the stuffing reaches your desired consistency. Another excellent technique is to add more dry ingredients to absorb the liquid. The most obvious choice is more bread. Use dry, toasted bread cubes. Tossing them in the oven for a few minutes first is a great idea. Add the toasted cubes to the stuffing a little at a time. Gently fold them in until the mixture is no longer wet. You can also add other absorbent items. Crumbled cornbread works wonderfully. Toasted nuts like pecans or walnuts not only soak up moisture but also add great texture and flavor. A modern solution is the air fryer. This gadget is fantastic for removing moisture. Work in small batches. Place a layer of the stuffing in the air fryer basket. Cook it at about 350 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. Be sure to shake the basket halfway through to ensure it cooks evenly. The circulating hot air will dry it out perfectly. To prevent this problem in the future, always add your broth gradually. You can always add more liquid, but you can't easily take it away. Also, use stale or thoroughly toasted bread from the start, as it absorbs liquid much better without falling apart. Remember these simple tips, and you will save your side dish. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more kitchen fixes.